What if I told you the biggest difference between wealthy people and everyone else isn't always how much money they have? It's how they think about money. Because before people build wealth, they often build a different mindset. Most people see money as something to spend. Rich people often see money as a tool that can create opportunities, generate income, and build long-term freedom. That's why two people earning the same salary can end up living completely different financial lives. One struggles paycheck to paycheck. The other quietly builds wealth year after year. In this video, we'll explore how rich people think about money, the habits that shape their financial decisions, and the mindset shifts that anyone can begin practicing today. Let's begin. Many people believe money is the final destination. Rich people often see it differently. To them, money is a resource, something that can solve problems, create opportunities, generate more income, and buy freedom. Instead of asking, how can I spend this? They often ask, how can this money create more value? That simple question can completely change financial decisions. Most people reward themselves first. New phones, luxury clothes, expensive cars. The wealthy often reverse the process. They first buy assets, businesses, stocks, index funds, real estate, digital products, investments that may continue producing value over time. Then, as those assets grow, luxury becomes easier to afford. Many financial decisions happen because of emotion, a flash sale, a new trend, fear of missing out. Rich people usually slow down. Before making a major purchase, they often ask, will this still be a good decision 5 years from now? Thinking long-term helps avoid many expensive mistakes, because wealth usually grows slowly, not overnight. Many people focus only on income. The wealthy pay attention to cash flow, money coming in, money going out, and how much is left to invest. Increasing income is important, but controlling expenses is just as important. Financial freedom often comes from the gap between what you earn and what you spend. Many people save whatever is left at the end of the month. Rich people often do the opposite. They pay themselves first. Part of every paycheck goes toward investments, retirement accounts, businesses, or other wealth-building assets. Whatever remains can be used for spending. This habit helps build wealth consistently. One investment wealthy people rarely stop making is investing in themselves. They read books, listen to podcasts, take courses, learn technology, study business, improve communication, develop leadership skills, because knowledge increases value, and greater value often creates greater income. Many people avoid risk completely. Others gamble without thinking. Successful wealthy people usually choose a different path. They research, analyze, prepare, understand the downside, then take calculated action. Because they understand, doing nothing forever can sometimes be the biggest financial risk. Relying on one paycheck can be risky. That's why many wealthy individuals build additional sources of income. Investments, rental properties, businesses, dividend income, online businesses, digital products. These income streams can continue generating value even when they're not actively working. Rich people rarely ask, how can I make more money? Instead, they ask, how can I solve a bigger problem? Because money usually follows value. Businesses earn money by helping customers. Employees earn promotions by creating value. Entrepreneurs grow by solving problems. The more value you create, the greater your earning potential often becomes. Modern culture rewards speed. Wealth usually rewards patience. Markets rise, markets fall. Businesses succeed, businesses fail. The wealthy understand short-term uncertainty doesn't always change long-term opportunity. Patience allows investments, skills, and businesses time to grow. The truth is, rich people aren't always born with more opportunities, but many develop different habits. They treat money like a tool. Invest before spending. Buy assets. Keep learning. Think long-term. Create value. Take calculated risks. And stay patient. Because becoming wealthy rarely happens because of one lucky decision. It usually happens because of thousands of smart financial choices, repeated consistently over many years. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more finance, investing, and wealth-building content. And let us know in the comments, which rich mindset are you going to start using today?